Greetings, this is Grandfather. Part 2 on Europe. Now, in the northern countries, Finland, Sweden, Norway, and so on, and northern Russia, there's going to be an unusually mild winter coming up for you all. It will just be this time. But I want you to be prepared for it because the coordination of factors globally will happen that, generally speaking, the northern hemispheres in all countries that would have, and you might expect it to have, a brutal winter, and everybody will be predicting that that will be the case. This will not happen. Your next winter will be much more mild than usual. Now, this doesn't mean that you won't be able to go skating, but it does mean that the places where winter sports are often practiced may have snow later in the season than usual, and it might have a melt sooner in the season than expected. So plan on that, and also recognize that there will be some rain that happens in an unseasonal fashion. Don't worry about floods. That's not likely going to happen. But just know and expect that. And now for Spain, there's going to be a unexpectedly rich harvest in all areas, especially associated with fishing. It will be very strange. It will make the newspapers because the fish will seem to be leaping out of the water into the nets. So don't overfish. There's a phenomenon going on now worldwide, and you must be alert to this. It will be very obvious off the coast of Spain, less so in other places. And that is that fish will seem to be wanting to be caught. Be alert now. Many fish in the sea do not feel welcome on Earth because of some extreme methods of fishing. These extreme methods are not being practiced by small companies, but by larger ones. And many of those working for those companies are uncomfortable with these extreme methods because it's essentially strip mining life from the sea. I think you know what I mean. So when this odd behavior in fish takes place, don't overfish, all right? And those of you doing commercial fishing, even though it might seem uncomfortable, speak. Pick one amongst you or two, and others can volunteer. Stand by the bow and speak out loud to the fish. Say, I welcome you to be at peace here on earth, and know that we as human beings welcome you to be here. Say that only if you feel it in your heart. I will say more in part 3 for Europe.